So hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are back again with the drawing series. So what do you think we are drawing here? I think it's Amara with the hair strand, but that's not Amara. I'm sorry. Okay, so your pretty boys all done. Now the next one what are we drawing here is women, and all you have to do is, okay, we are making a princess type of a woman. So yeah, looks like Cinderella, and if you color it in that way, like a yellow part of the gown and blue and yellow gown, you'll get your Cinderella. Now making a S and then making a duck out of it, that's nice. So for the eye part you can just make some starry eyes and that's it. Now okay, drawing some trees and joining all of them together will get you a fish and that's we have told you a number of times this. Okay, now the next one here is, I think we are making a, what are we making here? Oh, that's a bird. It looks like a penguin, but that is a bird. Okay, it is a penguin only. Now the next one here is, we're drawing a lemon, I guess. So when life gives you lemon, take lemonade, trust me. Okay. Now the next one here is, we are drawing a coconut tree and these small circles are your coconuts. So that's it. And now moving on, what are we going to make here is, you can color all of them together and first you just make them. Okay, now we are making a pumpkin as, no, the Halloween isn't coming, but you can make them anytime. They won't say no. And that's it. Now for making an apple, as I was never able to make an apple, that's quite easy for me, so I can make this. So you try it too. Now the next one is again drawing a S and we are making a duck here again, and that's it. That's not a duck, I'm sorry. That's your seagull. No, that's something else. I don't know. That's something else. Yeah, I'm not getting the name. Sorry. Now what are we drawing next here is, okay, we are drawing Pooh. Pooh the panda. that's not Pooh the panda. That's something else, and it looks quite horrible. Not horrible, actually quite scary, because there's a face on top of a face, and that's I didn't get it. The next one here is, we are drawing okay, what are we drawing here? Oh, that's Pooh. This time it is Pooh, definitely. Okay, so I don't know what he's doing there, but that's Pooh for sure. Now the next one here is, what are we drawing here is a flower, and that too in a very easy and a different way. You have never seen this earlier, so you can draw it this way if you want. Now moving forward, what are we getting here is drawing a concentric circle, a circle and we are drawing a tortoise here. So you all are very familiar with it, so yeah, you can draw them. Okay, now what are we drawing next here is, what are we making? Okay, I don't know the name, but that's a rabbit. Who else can have these long slay these long ears? So yeah, these are eyes, and that's Patrick. No, that's not Patrick, but that's someone from, okay, that is definitely someone from your SpongeBob, but I'm not getting the name. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry, SpongeBob's friend. Okay, now we are drawing a mushroom here and with a spooky face, or else you can call it, actually that's not a mushroom, sorry, that's a ghost. Yeah. Phantom. Okay, now the next one here is, okay, so who doesn't know what to draw with this? That's a bear. Okay, so that's it for guys today, and thank you.